I think it's going to come out of nowhere. I think somebody's doing it
Yeah,
already, and it's going to pop up, and everybody's going
I'm
to look at it
sure.
and go, "Wow." I hope so.
I mean, somebody and I were talking about two standards, basically MCP, which is less than a year old, and A, which was only announced 3 months ago. And we're talking about
Yeah.
these like, whoa, these are established fact. That's how fast this field is moving.
Hey, my name is John Santaferraro, and this is the Digital Analyst, where AI makes sense and digital dominance begins.
The Digital Analyst with John Santaferraro, powered by Insight Jam.
Is it possible that the modern data stack is a thing of the past? I mean, after all, it emerged a lifetime ago in 2019. That's 6 years ago. That's 3 years before the emergence of generative AI in 2022. 3 years after the emergence of generative AI in 2022. The world has changed, and so I'm just going to declare it. The modern data stack is a thing of the past. What we need going forward is the AI data stack. I didn't coin the term, but my guest today did. A few weeks back, he admitted to me that his concept of the AI data stack was a work in progress. Well, we went back and forth in the conversation from RAG to glitches in the black box of large language models, from vectors to sector-based language models. We began the conversation. Today, we want to finish that conversation. I have many ideas about what the AI data stack might be, and more importantly, what the agentic AI data stack might be. I think it has to have a data layer with all things data. It has to have an analytical layer capable of analytics, including everything from machine learning to advanced simulations and neural networks. It must have a semantic layer that combines business metadata with technical metadata to enable bidirectional natural language communication. It has to have a model layer connected with some future version of MCP, Model Context Protocol, because after all, MCP is in its early inception. And on top of all that, there must be an agentic layer. I think I'm going to leave that one for another conversation. My guest today has his own ideas about the AI data stack. Tony Baer is one of the most seasoned analysts in the data and analytics space today. He's the founder and CEO of dbInsight, where he covers data management, analytics, and AI, and he does it with prolific expertise. I'm sure he began thinking about AI all the way back during his 10 years at 𝗱𝘁. Today, we're simply going to work as two industry analysts, interested in hammering out what the AI data stack should look like. The concept is not fully baked yet. We are still writing the recipe and mixing the ingredients. Today, we'll cover the full stack. What do we need for data in the AI data stack? What do we need for AI in the AI data stack? What about multimodal processing? What about multi-model interaction? What about multi-agent interaction? How do you govern data, AI, and AI agents in a unified manner? We may not tie a bow on the concept today, but we will unpack many of the things that AI leaders need to be considering. So grab a glass of wine or a cup of coffee and join me on my Tuscan farm in the hills between Florence and Lucca for the Digital Analyst.